Now this video actually makes sense to me because I am obsessed with eyeshadows a lot, and I never thought of creating any makeup look using only kajal and no eyeshadow, which was a huge deal for me. So if you want to know how I got this look, then please keep watching. And I am Vaidehi and you're watching me on my channel Brown Life. So I'm going to do my skincare first. For that I'm using the Face Shop Rice Ceramide Emulsion, and this one smells really nice, and I took quite a lot of this product because I really want that inner glow kind of thing. Moving on, I'm going to use NY Base Primer. This one is like my first primer I ever bought for myself. It's a silicone based primer, so I applied it wherever I feel my pores are a little bit visible. For my foundation, I'm going to use Maybelline's Fit Me Foundation, my oldie goodie foundation in the shade Golden Caramel, and I applied it all over my face, around my ears and around my nose, because these are the areas most of the people forget to apply foundation, and you don't have to do that. You want to look like you are one base girl. Moving on, I'm going to use Stay Quirky's Hide My Hickey Concealer, and I'm going to apply it under my eyes, on bridge of my nose, on my forehead and above my lip area, because these are the areas where our skin has a little bit pigmentation, and I blended concealer really nicely on my face. To contour my face, I'm going to use NY Base Contour Stick, but I haven't really contoured my face because my face is already really small. I have just bronzed up my face to get that sun-kissed look, but also contoured my nose because I really want that contoured pointy nose. To set my face, I'm going to use Color Bar's Loose Powder. Moving on to kajal, I'm going to use NY Base The Big Apple of My Eye Kajal. This one is really pigmented and smooth in finish, so I applied it on my waterline. My eyelids are a little bit bigger, so I did apply brown eyeshadow as a transition color, but you don't really need to do that. Now here I'm smudging my kajal because I really want that Komolika kajal look on my face, and I created halka sa wing with my kajal itself. Now as my kajal is all done, I'm going to apply pack eyelashes. I don't know which variant I'm using, but I will provide links in the description box. Now moving on, I'm also going to fill in my eyebrows. For that I'm using NY Base Eyebrow Pencil. This one comes with no spoolie, which was a bummer to me, but I still tried to apply it. And I'm going to set my eyebrow hair using Wet n Wild's Transparent Mascara. For my blush, I'm going to use Stay Quirky's blush in the shade Pink Diva, and I applied it on my nose, on my highest points of my cheeks. Moving on, I'm also going to apply highlighter, but not like intense highlighter, but a little bit subtle kind of glow to get that glow. It is all up to you. If you want to, you can, and if you don't want to, you can skip it. For my lipstick, I'm going to use Lakme's Forever Matte Liquid Lip Color in the shade Mauve Ecstasy, which is my current favorite shade, and I completely love this kind of shades on my complexion, and this is how my makeup looks like. Now it's not important to apply only nude lipstick with such kind of makeup. You can use any lipstick of your choice. It can be red, maroon or purple, because we haven't went for any eyeshadow looks, and I think kajal के साथ कोई भी lipstick आराम से suit कर जाएगी. So I really hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial. Also I added this really nice oxidized nose pin, which is going really well with my outfit and my makeup. So you can do anything with this look because बहुत simple है, बहुत easy है, and you can wear this during this wedding season as well. So like this video, share this video with your friends and family. Follow me on Instagram for more of such beauty updates, and I will see you next time. Bye.